Crafting a natural refrigerator in temperatures below -20 degrees Celsius to locals is surprisingly simple. Start by pouring clear water into a plastic bucket. Float a smaller, water-filled basin on top to create a lid. Leave the bucket outside overnight in the freezing wind. By morning, let the thick layer of ice form along the bucket walls while the center stays liquid. Pour out the remaining water carefully. Pour hot water over the bucket to release the ice easily. Store meat inside this ice shell to keep it fresh and safe from scavenging animals. Use the frozen basin as the lid. No electricity, no hassle, just pure ingenuity.